Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can do your little girl's nails
Okay.
under 99 cents.
Now,
These ones here are Minnie Mouse. So these ones are Minnie Mouse for your little girl. They're easy, simple. Say no glue. No glue is necessary at all. Easy.
like that ball on him.
So we're going to do Minnie Mouse fingernails. See, they're Minnie Mouse. And you can get them cheap. And like I said, there's no glue. You don't need glue. You don't need to cut them. You don't need to file them. They're stickable. They stick. You guys don't get them sticky, they won't be sticky. See if we can find your size for your fingers. Let's see. Let me see your fingers. Let me see. See. See if this fits the thumb. I don't know. No, but it won't fit the thumb. It won't fit it. I'm thinking I'm doing it wrong. Yes, I am. It goes this way. My bad. Oh, no, I just put it on wrong. I was going to put it on the wrong way. This one? Yeah, there we go. We got this one. You can pull them right off. It ain't going to hurt their nails or nothing.
That mean what?
No, it's another Minnie Mouse. It's perfect. You say pretty?
Boy, that mean pink.
Yep. Yep. There you go. So pretty. That's pretty for pretty girls. Right? Like I said, it's real easy to put on. They're already sticky. And they're so easy to come off. But right there is the sticky stuff.
That pink.
Yep. This one's green like. So cute! Okay, I think this one fell off your finger, didn't it? You just don't want to stick. Like, now watch, so it'll fall off first. So cute! You so cute?
Good.
Yeah, they're cute.
Nice.
And who are they? Whose are these? Huh? Who's on them?
Wow.
No, who's on them? Who's on them? Who's on that? Who's on that fingernail?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like Minnie Mouse?
Yeah.
Do you?
He's blue.
See, look. See my fingernails, everybody?
Yeah.
See, look.
Oh,
So
oh.
cute. And this one has a heart. And yeah, you get 2 extra ones left. You see them? There's a butterfly and a heart one.
Yeah.
No, we don't need that one because we have them all. You only have 5 fingers on each hand, baby. They just give you 2 extras. Yeah. Yeah, they give you 2 extra ones for your hands.
Hi guys.
Say hi.
Hi. Boy.
But that's how you do your little girl's nails. Say bye, guys.
Bye guys. Bye.